Привет всем! Hello everyone! Welcome to Get Fit with Natalia. All girls like smoothie because this is very much vitamins in one cup. And today we will make smoothie. But this is not standard smoothie recipe. This is smoothie bowl. Smoothie which we will eat with spoon. Let's go with me. This recipe have a lot of antioxidants, proteins and fibers. And smoothie much more better than fresh juice because smoothie have fibers from fruits. So for this recipe we need oats, we need nuts, anyone what you like. We need frozen melon and frozen banana, Greek yogurt, and for decorate pomegranate. You can use any other fruits what you like, but main fruits you should frozen before few hours in refrigerator. Also with this smoothie we will do something like granola, also superfood which you can buy in shop, but we will make this homemade. And this granola, this is traditional USA snacks. They eat this with honey, with different nuts. We will do today only with oats and nuts because we will not need a lot calories for breakfast. And this recipe very good for breakfast because after this food you will have a lot of energy because fruits have a lot of vitamins, give you energetic for full day. So let's start. We will only dry oats and nuts. Every time mix. When we dry our oats and nuts, we can start do smoothie. Melon. And frozen banana. Not forget about nuts, because I'm feeling it start drying. Little bit reducing fire, one small fire. Our nuts are ready and oatmeal. And last ingredients, this is yogurt, high protein product. Ready for magic. Let's check what we have. Yes, it's very good consistency and looking great. Are you ready? We need plate for this smoothie, not cup. Look how it's looking beauty, black and white. But it's not all. Our granola with a lot of vitamins and good carbs. And last step, red color. Look like amazing, this looking and amazing tasty also. This is absolutely great breakfast for all family and very good for girls because there's a lot vitamins, a lot minerals, a lot good vitamins for skin, hair and nails and for your immunity, for your beauty.